Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today I'm back with a short video on how to update the Bigo Live app on your phone. First, open Google Play Store on your phone. Here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Bigo Live and press search. Now tap on the Bigo Live app's logo. Here on this page, you can see update informations. If there's an available update, you'll see an update button next to the app. Then you can tap on it to begin the update process. If the button says open, then it means the app is already up to date. If you want the app to update automatically in the future, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the Bigo Live app page in the Play Store. Then select Enable Auto Update. If the update is available in future, the update will automatically download and install. Once done, you can open the app from the Play Store or from your home screen. And that's it for today. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.